Good evening to Kramer. So, ang our topic for tonight is global corporations. So, ano nga ba ang global corporations? Global corporation is a large company that operates in many different countries. Global companies truly operates in various countries, providing good or service both in the native countries as well as moving good or service between countries. So, ang global corporation is a fully functioning global company that has culture and perspective that transcend that local where it's registered to or where its stock is listed. So, ang global corporation is ito yung mga companies, ito yung mga business na nakikita mo all over the world kahit saan man ito naka-destino. So, ito yung magkakakonekta sila. So, next one. So when we say global companies, is may mga type of global companies. So, first one is the international companies. So, international companies, this company operates primarily in a single countries but has some exposure to foreign markets. These are basically importers and exporters. The most common type of American international business is one of the purchased products or raw materials from international markets. So, when we say international companies, sabahin na natin, ang international company is sila pa lang yung mga nag-uumpisang company. Ito yung mga companies nito is yung kumukuha ng mga raw materials sa ibang country para gawing product at ibenta naman sa ibang bansa. So, next one. So, next, multinational companies. So, multinational companies, this company operates in more than one country and receives substantial income from this foreign operation. Qualify as multinational in nature. Multinational companies, while usually controlled by management based in a single country, cater to markets in individual countries, invest directly in foreign nations, but this is usually limited to a few areas. So, ang multinational companies naman is 2 to 10 companies na sa buong mundo na magkakonekta. Ngunit, may isang companies pa rin o sa isang single countries pa rin na parang pinaka-headquarters nila. Nagkakonekta sila. So, papaliwanag ko mamaya sa papel naman. So, next one is the transitional companies. Transitional companies is a